Good morning, Extreme 111. So, this is your mentor, Caleb Pao, TV Director of Isana Philippines. So, ngayon, nandito ako sa may restaurant sa Antipolo. So, kakatapos ko lang kumain ng lunch. So, right now, I'm recording this video kasi gusto ko i-invite parang medyo personally yung dating, di ba? Lahat ng mga Extreme 111. So, most especially yung mga bagong distributors. So, ini-invite ko kayo na maten sa Christmas party sa November 25 sa may Inari Stadium sa may Pasig. So, let me give you some reasons bakit kailangan mo maten doon. So, the first reason is because kapag maten ka sa Christmas party, marami ka doon. That's a great opportunity for you na marami kang makakilala. Kasi sa negosyo natin, mas marami kang kakilala, mas marami yung possible na pwedeng tumulong sa'yo sa business, di ba? So, yun yung isang reason na kailangan nyo pumunta para marami kayong ma-meet, marami kayong makilala. Second, it's because marami rin kayong matutunan doon kasi we have made this event very special para sa lahat ng mga extreme kasi gusto namin palagi the best, kaya production pa lang, as in, sabi nga namin lahat kami nababaliw na. Diba may mga invited kami ng mga special speakers at saka syempre hindi lang more on inspirational, diba, business pa rin. Our goal here is to celebrate, to have fun, diba, and at the same time habang we're having fun may sense pa rin, palaging may meaning pa rin yung mga activities natin, so hindi lang yung baliwan lang ganun. So I'm expecting each and every one of you. Ang goal natin, mapuno natin yung Inari Stadium. So trust me, sa lahat ng mga bago, so hindi nyo pa talaga masyadong na-experience kung ano talaga, what it feels to really belong sa Extreme 111, and dito nyo mararamdaman. Trust me, it's going to be worth your time, it's going to be worth your investment, going to be worth your money. I assure you, paglabas nyo pagkatapos ng event, ito sasabihin mo, buti na lang umattend ako. So make it a goal na before the event may masama ka na mga kapwa mo na rin distributors, or you can also invite guests so that they will get to see anong batong extreme. Alright? So, hope to see you November 25. Start na registration natin 12 noon. Okay? Para start na event natin is 2 p.m. until 11 p.m. Okay? So, see you and God bless.